Hello everyone, today we are going to read a poem, The Rebel, which is written by the poet T.J. Enright. Now first let's talk about the title of the poem. The Rebel means a person who does not act according to norms of the society. Norms means basic rule. The rebel describes a person who always goes against the rule or laws which are made for everyone in the society. So now can you think that why the rebel does so? Yes, you are right, because he wants to be different from others. That is why he does not do the same things that others are doing in the society. Now let's start the poem. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. In the given lines, the poet highlights the rebel's nature. When the rebel sees a group of people with short hair, he would allow his hair to grow long because he derives pleasure and satisfaction by doing so. However, he is not constant, and there, when he sees people growing their hair long, he would end up cutting his short. Next lines. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. Now the poet again talk about the rebellious nature of the rebel as how he rebels against the others. When the rebel sees that everybody is talking during the lesson, then he would become quiet. And however, because he is a rebel, he cannot help but create a disturbance. And when he sees that everybody else has become quiet, the rebel constantly seeks attention by doing that what others don't do. Like we can see in our class, जब अगर कोई टीचर पढ़ा रही होती है तो एक बच्चा ऐसा होता है कि सब लोग डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं तो वो चुपचाप शांति से बैठा रहेगा, राइट। और जब सब लोग शांत हो जाएंगे तो उसको अटेंशन चाहिए होती है, वो अटेंशन सीकर होता है, तो फिर वो कुछ ना कुछ बोलता रहता है, राइट। नेक्स्ट लाइन्स. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in a fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses up soberly. Because the rebel wants to show himself different from others, so he would wear colorful clothes when everybody is dressed up in a common uniform. However, the moment he sees that others dressed up in a different and colorful clothes, he would wear the uniform. Next lines. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. Here the poet discusses how the rebel's preference never match with the others in the group. Like when the rebel finds himself in the company of dog lovers, he begins to prefer the cats. On the other hand, on being surrounded by the cat lovers, he will praise the dogs. Next line. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. And when everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. Means the rebel would appreciate the sun while all others would be welcoming the rains, and miss the rains while others would be enjoying the sun. Right? Like we can say that कि rebel जो है अगर बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा मौसम है तो उसका मन करेगा, वो कहेगा कि काश धूप होती आज। और जब बहुत धूप होगी तो सबको धूप पसंद होगी तो वो कहेगा यार काश आज बारिश हो रही होती, बहुत तो अच्छा होता, राइट. नेक्स्ट लाइन. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. Here the poet further highlights that the rebels are usually alone. We can say the rebels are people who are usually alone because they always prefer to go on different path from others, right? So when others go for meeting, they stay at home and read books. And when the others stay at home, they go to the meeting, right? Next line. When everybody says, yes please, the rebel says, no thank you. When everybody says, no thank you, the rebel says, yes please. Now the poet is highlighting that how it is impossible to make the rebel agree with anyone at all. Like when everybody is saying yes for something, then he would say no. And if others are saying no, he would say yes. Next line. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. In these lines, the poet discusses what it is to be a rebel. Means कि rebel actually होता क्या है और इस मतलब होना चाहिए भी नहीं होना चाहिए, right? So the poet says that having rebels around us is beneficial as they do something different from others, right? रेबल होना बहुत अच्छा है क्योंकि वो सोसाइटी के लिए बहुत डिफरेंट करते हैं, राइट. लाइक वी कैन टेक एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ आर फ्रीडम फाइटर्स. उन्होंने ही वो दे वर ऑल्सो द रेबल्स, राइट. जो उन्होंने हमारे लिए लड़ाई लड़ी है ना, वो जो हमारे रूल उस टाइम पे जो है अंग्रेजों का अंग्रेज जो हमारे पे रूल कर रहे थे, ब्रिटिशर्स हमारे पे रूल कर रहे थे, तो हमारे लिए जो उन्होंने लॉज बनाए थे उनके अगेंस्ट जाकर हमारे फ्रीडम फाइटर्स ने हमें फ्रीडम दिलवाई, राइट. तो उन्हें भी तो रेबल ही कहा गया. दे वर ऑल्सो द रेबल्स हु डिड द बेस्ट फॉर अस, राइट. सो रेबल होना एक अच्छी बात भी है अगर हम कुछ अच्छे के लिए रेबल कर रहे हैं तो, ठीक है. However, it is not good to be a rebel because they are not accepted by the society. अरे पॉइंट कहता है कि मतलब रेबल होना अच्छा भी नहीं है क्योंकि द पीपल हु आर रिबेलियस, राइट, दे आर नॉट एक्सेप्टेड इन द सोसाइटी. लोग उन्हें एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते हैं, तो रेबल होना अच्छी बात भी नहीं है, राइट. थैंक यू. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द पोएम.